This presentation is brought to you by the Brainy Bunch, a group of fourth-year neuroscience students at the University of Toronto. In the next few minutes, we will touch upon a pressing topic that seems to be taking the university culture by storm: Adderall abuse. For starters, what is Adderall? Adderall is a prescription medication used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD, and narcolepsy, a sleep disorder. Adderall is a brand name for mixed amphetamine salts, or MAS, and is a combination of amphetamine and dextroamphetamine. These compounds are potent central nervous system stimulants that affect chemicals in the brain and nerves that contribute to hyperactivity and impulse control. Abuse of any drug is harmful to health. Adderall abuse has been associated with the following risks, which are by no means exhaustive: fatigue, difficulty breathing, pain, hyperactivity, mood swings including polar moods, tremors, and hallucinations, muscle twitches, and dangerously high blood pressure. Other side effects include headaches, weakness, and insomnia. After noting all of the risks associated with Adderall usage, why do students continue to abuse it? Stimulant-type drugs are effective in improving performance when sleep-deprived, though some studies have shown that their effects are not much different than caffeine. In recent years, Adderall has been increasingly used as a method of cognitive enhancement by students and professionals in various fields. In fact, according to a study by the National Survey on Drug Use and Health in 2009, it was reported that full-time college students, age 18 to 22, were twice as likely to abuse Adderall than those of the same age who were not in college. Overall, 6.4% of college-goers reported using Adderall. This increased stimulant usage may occur in part because students are under tremendous stress when working to get good grades, and thus feel that they need that extra boost. There is a large pressure placed on students in academia to continually succeed, so when that is not feasible, students may turn to cognitive enhancers without prescription. Psychostimulants like Adderall and Ritalin are widely used for cognitive enhancement by people without ADHD, although the empirical literature has shown little conclusive evidence for effectiveness in this population. In one study by researchers at the University of Pennsylvania, the subjective and objective cognitive enhancing effects of mixed amphetamine salts in healthy people were analyzed. They assessed the effects of MAS using a participant sample consisting of healthy young adults. They examined effects in 13 measures of cognitive ability, including episodic memory, working memory, inhibition, creativity, intelligence, and scholastic achievement. The results did not reveal any enhancement of cognitive abilities by MAS for participants in general. Despite the lack of objective enhancement, participants subjectively believed that their performance was enhanced by the active capsule compared to placebo. So, if Adderall possesses no real cognitive enhancing abilities, the costs really outweigh the benefits of this drug. Further studies have also shown that Adderall in fact does not benefit cognition. In another study done by the University of Pennsylvania, researchers demonstrated that the benefit from these stimulants largely stems from motivationally related aspects, such as increased energy and motivation, rather than actual cognitive enhancement. Another study looked at the differences that ADHD medications had on cognition in those with ADHD and those who abused these drugs off-label. The drugs were found to promote risky behavior and to increase susceptibility to environmental distraction. Such negative effects can occur when using these drugs to promote wakefulness for last-minute studying, and this may explain the lack of academic benefit in the real world, despite their cognitive potential. Therefore, cognitive effects of stimulants may depend on environmental contingencies. Adderall has certainly made the news within the context of pharmacological lawsuits, Adderall abuse statistics, and suicide cases of youth who abused it. For this, we can understand the gravity of Adderall abuse along with other cognitive enhancing drugs taken without a valid medical prescription. By showing that Adderall is not a true cognitive enhancer for healthy youth taking it without prescription, we are moving a step closer to abolishing the prominent Adderall culture on college campuses across North America. In doing so, we are moving towards safer practices, raising awareness, and promoting a reduced stressful academic and work environment for youth and students. There are many other, more natural ways for you to enhance your cognitive abilities. Alternative measures that need to be practiced and marketed for students include art therapy, music therapy, taking time off to pursue a hobby, writing occasionally, as well as physical exercise, all of which have been scientifically documented to increase healthy brain supporting factors, reduce stress, and improve academic and work efficiency. Here we have some resources that are available right here on campus. See the links in the description below for all of these awesome resources. Thank you for tuning in to this informational video. If you thought you learned something new about Adderall use, why not promote it to your colleagues, classmates, and friends? And remember, there are a lot of other resources out there to help you succeed academically, but the first step is believing in your capabilities. Thank you for watching.